secure transfer to Phase 3 zones. The pork shoulder cuts are loaded onto a high-speed refrigerated track system, accelerating towards the meat.
The connective tissue is pumped into vast hydrolysis reactors, highly controlled volumes of water and zero.
The deep creme chorizo mixture is hydraulically forced through the stuffing horn, rapidly filling the natural casing, which
The Model CH40 Spicy Red Chorizo enters the climate controlling room, where powerful
The sensor array ensures optimal fermentation conditions. The data confirms the environment is stable, critical for the Model CH40's texture.
the throughput on this line is incredible. Are the seals holding up to the speed?
Yes, the cuts are clean and the seals are intact.
tight chiced on the finished pork trimson.
casing. The thick, pale amber gelatin solution flows through a series of large ion exchange columns, designed to remove
The gelatin solution is rapidly heated to a precise sterilization temperature, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Then
The high-purity gelatin solution is pumped onto these chilled belts, initiating the rapid cooling phase.
The gelatin shreds are fed into the massive multi-zone drying tunnel. Inside, precisely regulated air.
precise control over temperature and humidity prevents degradation, ensuring the high purity of the industrial-grade gelatin powder.
Dry storage required.
With the final pallet secured, the high bay warehouse confirms the successful completion of the Process B manufacturing and storage phase.
From high-purity industrial gelatin powder comes this surprising array of consumer favorites, showcasing the success of modern manufacturing.
With high-purity gelatin powder, these machines ensure a reliable supply for essential global markets.
Our high-purity gelatin delivers unmatched gelling strength, as demonstrated by the firmness of this dessert. Providing perfect texture and consistency, This high-purity gelatin powder integrates seamlessly into modern consumer favorites.
High-purity industrial-grade gelatin powder, stacked in 50-kilogram sacks, demonstrating ongoing inventory and a continuous logistical chain. The culmination of a sophisticated industrial pipeline, ensuring a sustainable supply of high-purity gelatin powder for global markets.